Hi, I'm David Witte, broker-owner of Witte Realty, and I live here in Placida. I'd like to talk with you about the market here in West Charlotte County. And if you stay with me to the end, I have a free gift for you that'll help you out. If your home isn't selling in Englewood, Rotonda West, Placida, or anywhere else here in Southwest Florida, to be honest, and it's just sitting with no showings, no offers, there's a reason for that. And the truth is, it's usually not just the market. I want to walk you through what's actually going on right now locally and what you can do about it. You may be asking yourself, what's wrong with my house? Why isn't it selling? Is it just the market right now? And while the market does shift, homes are still selling every day here in the Englewood area. So when one doesn't, there's usually a reason. Let's start with the biggest one, and that's pricing. Here in Englewood and Rotonda West, buyers are very price sensitive right now. They've got options. Inventory has shifted compared to a couple of years ago, and buyers are taking their time. So if your home is even slightly overpriced for the competition or location, they'll just move on to the next one. And once your home sits for a while, it starts to develop a stigma. Buyers start thinking, what's wrong with it? The second thing is condition. This is a big one here locally, especially in older homes and properties near the water. Buyers walking into homes in Englewood and Placida are comparing updated versus outdated, clean versus cluttered, move-in ready versus needs work. And if your home doesn't show well or feels like it needs too much work, they're going to pass. Even small things like paint, landscaping, and cleanliness make a huge difference. The third issue is exposure. A lot of sellers assume it's on the MLS, so everybody sees it. That's not how it works anymore. Buyers are shopping online first, and if your photos don't grab attention immediately, they won't even schedule a showing. In areas like Cape Haze or Rotunda, where buyers may be out of state, your photos and presentation are everything. Here's something most people don't realize. The longer your home sits, the harder it becomes to sell. In this market, buyers are watching the days on market closely. If your home's been sitting 30, 60, 90 plus days, you're no longer competing as a new listing. You're competing as a problem listing. Now here's the good news. This is fixable, but you have to be willing to step back and look at it objectively. Ask yourself, is it priced right for today's market, not last year's market? Does it show as well as the competition? Would you buy it over the other options nearby? Because buyers are making that decision every day. I'll tell you this, homes are selling in Englewood, Rotonda, and Placida right now, but the ones that sell are priced correctly, show well, and are positioned correctly from the start. The ones that don't usually miss one of those points. If you're dealing with this right now, I put together a 160-page guide called The Sold Standard. It walks you through exactly how to price your home, prepare it, and position it so that it sells. It walks you through everything you need to know from the moment you start thinking about selling to when you get your check at closing. You can download it for free. I put a link in the description below. But you know, if you'd rather just talk it through, I'd be happy to bring you a copy and sit down and go over your specific situation with you. I place my contact information in the description below as well. If your home isn't selling, there's always a reason. The key is figuring out what it is and fixing it before it costs you time and money. I'll see you next time.